Hello, welcome to my channel again. My name is Vinci. I believe you all know me. If you remember, at the beginning of this year, we started this channel with about 65 subscribers, like 65 subscribers, and this is the end of 2023, and we are about 25,000 subscribers. Thank you so much, guys. I couldn't have done it without you. So, as a way to give back to you, I've decided to put out my paid course, one of my paid courses, my double-breasted suit course. I've decided to put it out on my YouTube channel for free. So if you've been looking to learn how to sew a suit, I'm going to be putting out the videos, 2 videos per day. There are about 18 videos, tutorial videos. I'm going to be putting out 2 videos per week. So that's about almost 2 months. You'll be running this tutorial for about 2 months. If you've been looking to learn how to make a suit, this is your opportunity. This is my way, like I said, of giving back to you. Thank you so much. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your loyalty. You're always commenting. I see your comments. Of course, I can't reply all the comments. I see your comments. I see the likes. I see your recommendations. I see all of them, but I can't reply everybody. Okay. However, if this is your first time of visiting this channel, just do well by clicking the subscribe button just down below here and turn on the notification bell, so that whenever I drop a video, you'll be notified and you go ahead and watch it. Thank you so much. Keep sharing my videos. Keep subscribing. That's by the way. Now, apart from the free course I'm putting on here, I have about 3 other courses for now that you would like to register. A short collar suit, something like this, a short collar suit tutorial, that's a paid course. I have a bishop collar suit, that's a paid course as well. You can do well to register that. I have a waistcoat tutorial, I have a shirt tutorial, I have a trouser tutorial, all paid courses. Do well to register. Upgrade yourself. Don't be a local champion. Upgrade yourself. Thank you so much. Subscribe if you've not.